Hey everyone, in today's world, creating high-quality content isn't optional anymore. It's expected, but not everyone has perfect lighting, expensive cameras, or the time to retake shots again and again. One bad angle, one dull frame, and your whole content feels average. But what if you could fix all of that instantly? This is where Fotor completely changes the game. With its brand new AI ReShot feature, you can take any ordinary photo and turn it into something that actually looks professional. One click, and your image gets improved with better composition, lighting, and overall visual quality. It literally feels like you reshot the photo, but without doing anything. And that's just the start. Fotor is an all-in-one AI tool where you can generate images, enhance quality, remove backgrounds, and create stunning visuals in seconds. Everything you need in one place. If you're serious about making your content stand out, this is something you need to try. Click the link in the description, and after clicking the link, you will land on this page. And here's where the magic really begins. The moment you land on this clean, well-organized page, you'll notice something powerful. There are tons of AI tools available, all in one place, from AI photo editor, AI image generator, AI artifacts, and AI headshots, to background remover, AI hairstyle, face swap, batch editor, and even tools built for e-commerce content. And if you explore further by clicking on See All, you'll find even more advanced features like AI upscaler, AI cartoonizer, caricatures, virtual boyfriend, AI baby generator, and quick start editing tools. Everything is designed to make content creation faster, easier, and way more professional. But for today, our main focus is the AI ReShot feature. This is where things get seriously impressive. So I'll go ahead and click on AI ReShot, and here, all you need to do is upload any image. Let's start with a product image that has bad lighting and a poor angle. Now, I'll just upload it, wait a few seconds, and that's it. Our ReShot image is ready. And just look at this. The lighting is cleaner, the composition feels more balanced, and the entire image looks like it was captured professionally. It doesn't feel edited, it feels reshot. This tool is perfect for anyone who wants high-quality visuals without spending hours retaking photos or using complicated software. Now let's try one more example, this time with a face image. I'll upload it, wait a few seconds again, and done. And look at the result. The image now looks sharp, clean, and professional. The lighting, the clarity, even the overall presence of the subject has improved. It genuinely looks like a studio quality shot. This is what makes AI ReShot so powerful. It doesn't just edit your image, it upgrades it into something that actually stands out. If you want to create better content without extra effort, this is definitely something you should try. Now, let's take a look at some of the other powerful features. Let's say I need a product image, so I'll click on the AI image generator, and here you can see this prompt box where you can simply describe what you want. I'll add my prompt and then choose an image model. There are multiple options available like Fotor, Google Nano Banana, Seedream, OpenAI, WAN, Midjourney, Flux, and Kling. For this example, I'll select Google Nano Banana. After that, I can choose the image ratio according to my needs, set the resolution, and even select how many images I want to generate. Now, I'll just hit generate, and within moments, my image is ready. And just look at this. The quality is incredibly sharp, the details are clean, and the overall composition looks very professional. It genuinely feels like something created by an expert designer. Let's create one more. This time, I want a model influencer image with ultra-realistic skin tones. I'll add my prompt, hit generate, and just like that, the image is ready. And again, this looks amazing. The skin texture, lighting, and realism are on another level. It doesn't look AI generated. It looks like a real photo shoot. If you want to create high-quality images, enhance your content, and save hours of effort, Fotor is definitely worth trying. From AI ReShot to image generation and editing tools, everything is built to make your workflow faster and more professional. Just click the link in the description, and after clicking the link, you will land on this page where you can explore all these features yourself. Try it out and see the difference. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.